In front of me is Nevin Phone 3 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit passwords, passkeys and accounts. Now hit open under Google. Choose Google Password Manager and select any password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit edit button, and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!